So this is the introduction for Sec 3 congruency to introduce the idea of proving true congruency. Okay, let's review what you have learned in Sec 2. So in Sec 2, we learned about congruency statement. And we learned about matching length and angle through the congruency statement. So we are going to use this idea to answer this whole question. So the two triangles are already congruent. So you just have to be matching the length and the angle. So in this question, part A, I'm supposed to find the length of AC. So according to the congruency statement, AC should be equal to XZ. So in that case, it will just be equal to 13 centimeter. So you just use the congruency statement for matching. So the next part, YZ. So YZ, according to the congruency statement, it should be equal to BC. So you do the matching, you will get the answer. So that is the idea about the matching of angle. The matching of length. So subsequent one will be matching angles. YXZ. So this angle. So if I'm going to do matching YXZ, should be matching with BAC. So according to the statement, YXZ, you go by the matching, YXZ. So go in order. So Y, X, and Z. B, A, C. So that should be equal to BAC. So that's where we know that it's 15 degrees. So subsequently, we can do another matching. So for part D, ACB. So ACB. Okay, so look at the statement one more time. ACB. So it should be XZY. So you should match with XZY, which is here. So you can do an angle sum of triangle. So please state the reason. So in Sec 2, you are only required to match accordingly. So the idea behind all this matching will translate to the test that we are going to be doing. So the test, that means right now, if you're going to be asked to prove congruent triangle, you've got to see that it matches any one of the 5 tests. Anything that goes out of the 5 tests, right, your congruency will not work. So what does the test represent? So for the first test, you got to find 3 same length, 3 same sides. So S stands for sides. That means same length. So you got to find 3 pair of same length between 2 triangles. So just like we match the length here. So that means if I got 3 matching length, then that will prove the congruent triangle. So another one will be 2 matching length and included angle. Included angle means it's in between the 2 same length. Okay, these two are the one that confuse most people, because if you look right, these two cases use two same angle plus one same length, but the alphabets are arranged differently. You realize the alphabets are arranged differently. So there is a reason for it. It's because of the orientation of the two angles and one side. So two angles, one side, two same angles plus one same size. Here, I got two same angle, but I have an included length. That means the length is in between two angles. So later on, one of the example will illustrate how does the included length look like. Okay, the last one has a total different abbreviation. So in this case, right, R stands for right angle. So sometimes you may be using this. H stands for hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means it must be opposite the 90 degree. S means one same side. So this is the RHS, which a lot of people, they either forget or they couldn't relate to it. So later on, there's an example to show RHS.